mahirap, mas maganda yun.
So,
Okay?
guys,
Alright, let's see.
was playing a Roblox.
No-mute si ma'am.
Guys,
Guys,
times is a new update, guys. I could
naglalag
see.
pa si ma'am.
Let's drop some new update. This is
No naman.
KJ.
Okay, o let me know anytime naglalag si
But
ma'am. Ha?
anymore,
Sige, let's try to
small
see.
and I just don't know what to play. Already, but
Alright, let's try to see.
What the okay.
Question now. Usually
But
this starts with
it's really great. Wow! I don't know how to try it.
Mapag-what? Memorization.
Elna!
So, ibig sabihin, mapag-memorization. Easy question. Is kasi expected ng NX yun na natin.
What is this?
So, expected niya na memorize niya na kailangan. So, madali para sa kanya. In order to attack the question, you read the question.
Oh my goodness, talking in your big. Oh my god, guys.
Options. Okay, then what condition indicates a
What?
low life placenta? After you have read the whole question, tignan nyo yung
Why the place is so
here is
skinny?
placenta. So yun the magic word. Yun yung
Why the place? No!
low life placenta.
Back one more time.
Kuha ka lang sa options mo, good na tayo. That's why it is
Come back one more time. Are you serious? Guys, why? Why the place all gray?
So best answer here is number 1. Diba?
I never get up. I never get up. Why does the place so gray? Guys, will only be hard many times. Guys. One of the years in the
Oh. Your placenta from your uterus naman. Ito naman, ang bilis mo wala nung placenta sa uterus. Diba? Or placenta naman. Pag placenta naman, parang kapatid ng placenta. So placenta
oh my god, guys. I'm not, oh my god.
ayaw naman.
Oh.
Ang approach sa placenta
Look at me. What gray? What?
Now, basa
I'm
previa.
backward, please. Back.
Previa, it is low learning. Diba? Pero pag basa is more learning of words. Diba? So, pag basa previa,
Guys, I'm here. But it's gray. Come on, just gray again.
Diba? Word na.
Why? Oh my god, guys, why is it gray? What? Why is it so gray?
Okay, but for your English, it is considered.
Why is it so gray? Why?
Okay, what about the average type of question, ma'am? Ano naman itsura? Average type of question would be tinatawag natin comprehension.
Thanks.
So, dito sa
Don't make me
comprehension
noise.
question, hindi pwedeng knowledge lang, hindi pwedeng sa memory na. Kailangan from you have understanding of what is happening in your patient. So, average siya kasi nasa easy, nasa difficult. So, okay, memorize lang. Kailangan natin i-memorize. Okay, sige, let's try that. Read the whole question, get our keywords, and then go to your options. Okay, so evaluate that your success of an mistake. Presentation 4. After you have read the whole question, let's try to see your keywords. So you're asked about therapeutic effect. But therapeutic effect, you are looking for something that is positive here. Diba? So dapat ang answer mo is positive. You ask yourself also that that strategy. But when may question kayo, tapos applicable siya, you ask yourself,
I need this for the microphone.
positive, alam mo na pag-usap sa positive. Pag negative naman, ano pa mo na? negative. So, what are you think positive? Now, what is your meditation done?
Coffee chair.
When you're asked about
Coffee
something
chair.
that you can assess for what?
No, no, no. No, I don't like this.
Ask about the
Just
effect,
think.
which is positive, yeah. Meditation is a
Please.
and something that you can assess for
Please.
your
Yes.
okay? Now, maybe some effective
Yes! Oh! Let's go!
Sige, let's try that.
Oh my god, guys,
Give me a thumbs up.
what is it? Why there's one? Where is it? Please. Oh, it's
Urinary output at least
okay.
lalabas ang tubig sa katawan.
Okay. Is it?
Output therapy.
Okay, this God, but hindi this water.
Laxatives. Softeners. Diba? Sa line pa as for animals.
Tamas
Okay? They really diba? Essence nyo. Sige naman yan. So very important here, you go for number 1. Diba? Number 1. Now, let's try and see. So that is comprehension average. Okay, ano naman difficult question? Okay, difficult questions would be more on application and analysis type of questions. Okay, so mahirap siya kasi hindi pwede na memorize mo lang. Hindi pwede na natindihan mo lang.
Kasi
Dapat
dito
meron
na.
na tayong decision.
What?
May
Wait.
decision making. May
What?
critical
What?
thinking. That's why it is difficult.
Why so?
Okay? Yan yung mga questions na kahit gaano magaling ng bata, kahit
Why is so
na-memorize niya
weird?
yung buong libro, pero pag walang critical thinking, pwede pa rin maging unsuccessful, no? Sa pag-take ng end. That is why I always tell the students, even if you have memorized everything, that is not an answer. That, okay na agad ang text. Kailangan may analysis. That's what. One of the most important aspects of OB care.
Oh
OB naman
my
tayo,
god,
ha? Obstetric care, also wonder with a collapsed cord is positioning. Which of the following positions is most important? Okay? Most important, so you ask yourself again, am I looking for something that is positive or negative?
What
So,
a
pag
minute.
importante,
What?
positive yun.
Pupunta yun.
Writing to do tayo. Let's see, ha?
Yes,
Tingnan natin
yes.
yung keywords nyo.
Ano,
Okay? You have
what
OB care
is
here.
there?
Diba? So, OB care tayo.
Oh my god, what is this?
Tapos,
Oh my god, is this bulugan? What? Hey, what?
Ang mas may problema ba daw
Hey,
si
stop
mommy
it.
or si baby?
Oh my god, what you put it this? Oh my god.
Si baby ang mas magkakaroon ng
Oh.
issue.
Why
Okay, mas
not?
delikado pag wala sa cord natin. Okay, and
Why
then
does
you're
it
asked
all
about
gray,
the
my
most
god?
important position.
Why?
Okay, recap again. This is OB care tayo. And then, you have again prolapse cord. Okay, prolapse cord as your condition. Pag prolapse cord, si baby, mas si baby ang magkakaroon ng problema. And then, you're asked about the most important position. No? Most important position. Now, let's try. Sabi natin, di pwedeng na-memorize lang, ha? Kailangan naintindihan. Let's try to see your prolapse cord. Pag prolapse cord, the issue is, yung cord nyo nandoon sa lower part. Diba? Nasa lower part yung siya ng
What the fuck?
Okay? So, pwede ka naman yung cord niya. Okay? Pwede din pumupulupot yung cord doon sa body ng baby natin. Delikado, di ba? Lalo na kapag pumupulupot ito sa neck. Okay? But most of the time, that's the valid fact. Pwede ka na nagagana. Okay? Pag nagagana ng that would impede circulation from the mom to the baby natin. Okay? So, yun ang problema, no? Poor circulation.
What the
So,
fuck?
I want to lift
I gonna get the babies.
cord natin. Ano ba yung
What's all the babies?
Okay?
Babies, I'm the menus.
may poison.
That's better.
That is poison. Poison words
That's all.
yan. When you talk about that, wala na sinabi. Hindi natin naalis yung weight ng baby
Wala na yung
sa
guy.
again poison.
What the fuck?
As is lang yan. So, eliminate number 1 and 2. You also practice
Oh no,
that.
guys, it's really
Eliminate para nababawasan yung
what happened? I don't know
so,
what it
eliminate
is.
number 1 and 2. Let's try to see number 3. Pendulum verse position.
Oh, wow.
Pag pendulum verse position, aangat yung paa ni mama. Okay? So, is that a good thing, guys? Yes. Diba? Aangat yung paa ni mama para law of gravity si baby from sa babang part ng uterine part natin, aakyat siya. Diba? So, aakyat siya doon sa upper part ng uterine area natin para hindi niya nadadaganan yung inyong cord. So, okay? Alright, keep nyo yung 3. Yung number 4 pro, with the head of the diba? O, 4 na mga ulit yung dito, nakapunta kay baby. Kasi, nagdaganan na yung lungs niya, maraming form of oxygen sa lupa. Tapos, inelevate na natin yung head. So, inelevate natin yung head ng mga loob lang. Lalo babagsak yung batang doon sa lower part na yung right area. Lalo yung cord natin. Okay, so taas na lang yung paa para umitin ng konti yung bata. Hindi nyo matagal.
Ayun.
Alright? So that's the area number 3. So yan yung mga simple examples ng inyong knowledge, comprehension, and application analysis by questions.
You're on the
Okay?
ground.
So again, let's try. Counting techniques and strategies are very important. Lalo na guys, ay naaral natin lahat, na-polish natin ang techniques nyo. Sometimes kasi talaga nag-blackout. No? O lalo na pag, kunyari, let's say, mga,
What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong?
Diba? Bothered kayo
What's wrong?
or sinisip ko because nagkaroon ko na anxiety attacks. Diba? So, yung mga ganang bagay, syempre magiging for yung concentration natin. Baka mag-panic na kayo. So, in order to prevent panic,
Oh, it's so bright. What the? Why are you so bright too? What the? What the fuck? We're gonna put it in the next day.
So, ano yung pwedeng technique or strategy ko na kahit nakalimutan ko siya, I can still get the
Don't
best
sweet
answer.
answer.
Always
Let's
remember
find out.
facts and
What is putting it here? Why is there other?
no idea.
I see many more. I see many more time, guys. I'm gonna put it. To run this, it's really crush.
First step in preventing panic is to learn everything you can about the examination. Meaning, hindi lang bookish. Hindi lang yung memorize yung buong libro. Aside from yung mga gagawin titrate kayo ni ma'am ng skills, strategies, and techniques in order to attack a question. Aside from that, pag-aaralan din natin yung rules and regulations inside person. Importante din yun. Yung mga bata minsan, pwede na naging pasaway sa loob ng na blacklist. Pag na-blacklist kayo, you can never implement something for the day. Sayang na. So sayang. Diba? Sayang ang preparation. If you know everything about what's gonna happen, kasi mas lesser yung anxiety. Okay? Let's see. Okay, this one also. Confidence is very important. Don't underestimate yourself. You have a body of knowledge. Ha? You always need it. Apat na taon tayo. Bachelor of Science in Nursing tayo. Actually, may age na tayo. Doon sa ibang mga
What is this?
kasi sa Amerika, hindi naman lahat ng magtitig ng NCLEX RNs or PSMs. Diba? Yung iba, associate nurses ang tinapos nila. So, natutuwa sila pag Filipino nurses talaga. Kasi tayo BSN RN. Sila sometimes RN, bago din naman tapos yung BSN. So doon pa lang haban. Okay? Another thing, pinaka-importante rin would be, there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Diba? So, it could be to be confident, diba? Okay, I'll get through this. I am prepared for this. I have prayed for this, diba? Okay yun. Pero yung delikado. Diba na, okay na to? Mukhang kaya ko naman. Kasi ano naman ako, kapwa naman ako sa local board exam. Naman ako. Naku, delikado. Marami mga bata, ha? Loudest. And then, again, top-notchers. Bakit bumagsak daw ng CGS? Bakit daw hindi daw sa kapasan ng NTEC? That is because may stage of arrogance na rin. Kala ko kasi ma'am, kaya ko kaya ako kala ko kasi ma'am, okay na po dahil tapos na yung yung lecture natin. So, hindi ko na po tinapos yung hindi na po nag-practice ng out of the 4 months is supposed to be preparation. So, this is only one third of the preparation. Meron ako yung let's see. Picture it. This is very important, no? Use imagery when reading test questions. You imagine what is happening. But again, there's a fine line between imagining. So, minsan sinabi mo, psychiatric. So, kasi psychiatric ko. Iisip ko kasi may mga
See ya.